Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is the Bella's Family channel. So today guys, I will be doing some unboxing, but let's just start with the first one. Look at it, what I will be unboxing guys. This is a HP laptop guys. Remember that I think in May or June this year we got another HP computer. Look at it here. So this is another HP computer. This one we have been using, we don't have any problem with it. The laptop is very strong and it's very good. So we decided to get another one because we really need it. So this is it guys, we'll be unboxing it together. So let's go right into the video. Have already disinfected the carton when they brought it guys. So let's unbox it together. Okay, yeah, this is it guys. Look at it. This is the computer. Is another HP product guys, but I think this one is smaller. I don't know. Let me check it out. Okay, yeah guys, I love this color. I don't know, let me look at it. Let me see. Look at the new one, look at the old one. The old one is bigger than this. Yeah, so this is it guys. Look at it. It's very powerful. I loved HP. So that is it. What do we have inside again? Okay, I think this is the okay, yeah. So this is the charger for charging it. That is it. That is it guys. So the next one we are going to be unboxing will be ta-da-da-da. Yeah, so guys, some of the other things I bought was not really what I ordered, so I have to return it. Now the things are here, so I could not continue the unboxing, so that is why I will be showing you the other things I bought. Look at this one, and the big carton. So I will be unboxing this. So look at it. This is a look at it. This is a light for home decor. I think I have to put a picture of it. You have to connect it to the electric. I will put a picture of how it look when you put it in your home. So this is one of the things I got, and so this is it. For the light is for home decor, and it also has a remote control to change the light to different color. It has a lot of things. So that is it. Then this is the next one. I got all of them from Amazon. Okay, look at this. This is a microphone I got. Yeah, wow, I love it. Look at it, guys. It has a lot, and it came with this. Okay, but I don't know how to use it yet. Wow, I think this is an inbuilt speaker holder, so I don't know, but look at it, guys. So the last but not the least is the big carton. Wow. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so guys, look at this. Is the last one. Look at it, guys. Look at the bag. So what else is there? Let's check. Okay. This is the this is the leg of the legs. Okay. Okay, and also this, but I don't really know how to do it, but Okay, this is where they used to cover the lights. Okay, we have three white and red. Okay, okay, you can change it to different color. And this is the remote control. I think this little one. This is the tripod, and I think this is the charger for charging it. Okay, yeah, that is that. And wow, so this is the light. It's very big, as you can see. It's very big, so I'm going to be setting it up, but definitely not on this video, guys. So it's finished, guys. That is all I got from Amazon. I will be ending this video here. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in our next video. Bye, guys.